Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 10 hobbies for creative people. From painting to gardening, we'll explore each hobby and why it's such a great outlet for your creativity. Number 1. Painting and drawing. Painting and drawing involve using different tools and mediums to create art. This can include pencil, charcoal, ink, watercolor, acrylics, or oils. It's a great way to express emotions, explore new ideas, and create something that is entirely your own. Number 2. Writing. Writing can be an excellent hobby for creative people, as it allows you to explore your imagination and put your thoughts and ideas into words. You can write in a variety of formats, including poetry, short stories, novels, screenplays, or even journaling. Writing can help you clarify your thoughts, develop your storytelling skills, and express yourself in a meaningful way. Number 3. Photography. Photography is a visual art that involves capturing images and moments in time. It can be an exciting hobby for creative people, as it allows you to explore the world around you and find beauty in unexpected places. You can experiment with different lighting, angles, and settings to create unique and artistic photographs. Number 4. Cooking and baking. Cooking and baking can be a creative outlet, as it involves experimenting with different ingredients, flavors, and presentation. You can learn new techniques, try out new recipes, and even create your own signature dishes. Cooking and baking can also be a social activity, as you can share your creations with friends and family. Number 5. Sculpting. Sculpting involves working with different materials, such as clay, stone, or metal, to create three-dimensional art. It's a hands-on hobby that can be a great way to express yourself creatively and develop your skills as an artist. Number 6. Crafting. Crafting encompasses a wide range of activities, from knitting and crochet to scrapbooking and jewelry making. It can be a great way to express your creativity and create something tangible. Crafting can also be a stress-relieving activity that helps you focus on the present moment and develop your fine motor skills. Number 7. Music. Music is a form of creative expression that involves playing an instrument, singing, or composing. It can be a powerful way to connect with your emotions and communicate through sound. Playing music can also be a social activity, as you can perform with others or share your music online. Number 8. Graphic design. Graphic design involves creating visual art using digital tools and software. It can be a great way to express your creativity and communicate visually. You can design logos, websites, posters, or even create animations. Graphic design is a skill that can be learned, and there are many online resources available to help you develop your skills. Number 9. Film and video production. Creating films or videos can be a great way to tell stories and express your creativity through visual storytelling. It involves writing scripts, directing actors, and editing footage to create a final product. With the rise of online video platforms like YouTube, creating videos has become more accessible to everyone. Number 10. Gardening. Gardening involves planting and caring for plants, flowers, and vegetables. It can be a creative hobby that allows you to express yourself through design and landscaping. Gardening can also be a relaxing and meditative activity that helps you connect with nature and develop a sense of purpose. Thanks for watching our video on the top 10 hobbies for creative people. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on creativity and more hobbies. Hey, if you've stayed this long, welcome to Hobby Hub, the ultimate guide to exploring new hobbies. Our channel is dedicated to helping you discover new interests and passions and giving you all the information you need to get started. We'll take you through the basics of each hobby, provide tips and tricks for getting started, and even give you advice on how to take your hobby to the next level. So if you're ready to explore new hobbies and discover your next passion, subscribe to Hobby Hub today.